Welcome to the R&R Remote Access tutorial. In this video, we will be teaching you how to remotely access your computer from anywhere using the ConnectWise remote control account we provided you. Remember that your computer will need to be on and connected to the internet in order to be accessible remotely. To log into your remote access portal, visit the link we provided you or go to your address bar and type in control.ITSupport247.net. We recommend bookmarking this website for your convenience. Log into this portal using your email ID and password. We will have already provided this information to you. Upon logging in, you will be prompted to enable two-factor authentication. This is a mandatory security requirement on this platform. Download one of the mentioned apps and use it to scan the QR code on your screen. This app will generate a 6-digit code each time you log in and ensure only you are logging into your machine. You will be unable to skip this step going forward, so please set it up right away. If you prefer to use another authenticator app or do not have a smartphone, let us know and we will try to set up an alternative for you. Once you are logged in, you will see all of the machines that you can connect to according to your chosen service plan coverage. Once you locate the computer that you wish to connect to, click on the green monitor icon to the very left to initiate the session. You will be prompted to install necessary software for your first time, but otherwise it will jump into the session immediately and give you full control of your computer remotely. Your remote session will open up in a new window. The tools at the top of the window will provide extra functionality. For example, you can directly transfer files and folders between devices, as well as customize which monitors you are viewing. To end the remote session, you can simply exit the window. If you have any questions about remote access that we provided you, please get in touch with us and let us know. Thank you for choosing R&R Consultants for your business IT solutions.